Thermal mass flow controllers indicate and control flow rates of gases. The AALBORG GFC is an analog mass flow controller embodying high-performance technologies. Consider the versatile, economical means of flow control of these instruments. Some of the many applications where reliable, accurate control is important include process controls in chemical, pulp, pharmaceutical, and food industries, flow-based projects in institutional and R&D laboratories, carbon analyzers, gas blending, monitoring gas generation in fermenters and bioreactors, control of gases into welding machines, glass-forming burners, controlling airflow and gas chromatography, carbonation of sodas in beverage bottling operations. Design features include GFC mass flow controllers measure mass molecular flows and are virtually unaffected by temperature and pressure variations. The optional TIO attachment converts the GFC into a digital mass flow controller with totalizer functions, built-in flow linearizer, self-diagnostics, 47 engineering units, and other features. Mass flow controllers are calibrated for specific gases and display flow rates in a choice of mass or volumetric units. Flow rates range from 0.4 milliliters per minute to 1,000 liters per minute. Built-in tiltable LCD displays. Command and output signals are 0 to 5 volts DC and 420 milliamps. Accuracy is plus or minus 1.5% of full-scale reading. Repeatability is plus or minus 0.25% of full-scale reading. Response time is 2 seconds to within plus or minus 2% of actual flow rates. Time constant is 800 milliseconds. GFC mass flow controllers are individually tested for 1 × 10 to the -9th milliliters per second helium leak integrity level. Input power is plus 12 volts DC up to 800 milliamps or plus 24 volts DC up to 650 milliamps. Principles of operation. Gases are split into 2 laminar flow paths, the main conduit and a bypass sensor tube. Both paths are designed to provide laminar flows and, by definition, their ratio of flow rates remain constant. Resistances of heated windings on the capillary sensor tube are monitored. As heat is carried from the upstream to the downstream winding, a temperature difference is created. The resultant resistance differential is linearly proportional with the flow rate. A built-in proportionating valve facilitates closed-loop flow control functions. For complete specifications and to order AALBORG GFC mass flow controllers, contact info@aalborg.com or call 1-845-770-3000 or 1-800-866-3837, toll-free in the US and Canada. To select, configure, and purchase flow meters online, please visit